Hey there, friends. Thanks for checking in. You are looking at 3 Magnum Research Desert Eagle handguns. Here we have a 50 Action Express in stainless steel. Over here is a 44 Magnum with a Cerakote finish, burnt bronze. And over here is the newest one, case hardened. The entire frame, barrel, and slide is all case hardened. Get a load of that. This has class written all over it. Just splashes of purple, gray, and bronze with a walnut grip is amazing. Now, I checked it out at SHOT Show. I saw pictures prior to that, and I said, my goodness, I love it. I'm speechless when I see what Magnum Research did with this Desert Eagle and case hardened. I mean, it's amazing. So let me go ahead and move these other ones, and we'll focus on this particular model. I love shooting 50 Action Express. It's actually easier than what many people think. You know, this big heavy steel gun just eats it up, a nice firm grip, and you have no problem shooting it. And the accuracy that the Desert Eagle offers is amazing. It has a 6-inch barrel, and shooting that 300 grain bullet is no problem. And I'm serious. People have seen videos of others flopping them around and so forth. No, that's just, you know, that's for video purposes. A nice good hold on it, and you control it no problem. But let's check this out. It does have the walnut grips, as I mentioned. It has the emblem, the Desert Eagle emblem on both sides. Nice gold finish there. And I like the way it's stained. It kind of blends in with the case hardened slide right there. 7-round magazine. All right, big old round going in there. And the trigger is a single action trigger that's actually quite light. I measure it between 4 and 5 pounds, and your reset is right there. It's nice. I tell you, I've got quite a bit of experience with Desert Eagles. I think I've showed quite a few on this channel. I think this is the most beautiful. Extended beaver tail. Does have a thumb safety here. This is you know, it's good to have a thumb safety, especially with a single action gun there. Rail up top, blacked out rear sights, bladed front sight. Get a load of the barrel. When I feature the Baby Desert Eagle 3, it has this same contour in the slide. And so I say that mimics a full-size Desert Eagle. That's what I'm talking about. See the way that it just angles up here and then it bevels out a little bit for the rail? Isn't that cool? I think it's pretty awesome. And an overall great feel to it. Now, the MSRP on this is $2,368. I see it on Gunbroker. The same one here, 50 Action Express, case hardened. Okay, the process to make this case hardened is incredible. It involves bone, ash, coal, a furnace, and a whole process to get this look. And what's cool is that no two are the same. But I see them on Gunbroker for right around, and in some cases a little bit under $2,000. For a Desert Eagle looking like this, I don't know, man. I love it. I think it's incredible. One of the things that people don't understand is how easy these are to disassemble. You think that it has all these parts and it's difficult. It's easier than most semi-auto handguns. This button right here, you just push it in. I'll do that with my forefinger over here. And this lever, push it down like that. I'm going to keep the slide on for now. And then off comes the barrel. And that's it. Now, if we look in here, we'll see that it has 2 recoil springs, all right, which also assists with the felt recoil. And then here is your piston and the rotating bolt. Very much AR-ish. And now, if I wanted to do a full disassemble, the slide just comes off and all that comes apart. It's so simple. But I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to put this back together. And when you put it back together, all you have to do is, once you get it in this position, I'll turn it around so you'll be able to see. Once you get it back in this position, flick that lever back up, and then you're good to go. Incredible. Gold plated trigger. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice with the gold emblem right there? And case hardened all over the place. I mean, the accuracy that these deliver, the smooth shooting, believe it or not, and the overall feel of that big bore round, 300 grains going down range, there's nothing like it. I mean, this is the largest semi-auto handgun available in today's market. 50 Action Express. I love it. So I'm going to be taking this to the range. And matter of fact, I might just take all three to the range and show them off. But this one, I'm just thrilled, guys. I think it's phenomenal. And I cannot wait to get some rounds downrange and show you guys how smooth it is and what it's capable with those AR-500 targets. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.